Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Just want to give you a little tip. Issue I was having with my 52 48N is when the tractor sat for a length of time, could be a day or a week, really didn't matter. What was happening is when the tractor was in neutral and I went to start the tractor, it started fine. However, when I pushed the clutch in and tried to put the tractor in gear, it kept grinding. And what was happening is the clutch disc would stick to the flywheel. And the way to fix that, I'll explain. It was something that I tried and it actually worked. So what I did is, when I'm not using the tractor, I put a large C-clamp on the clutch pedal, so it's holding the clutch down, so it's pulling the clutch back. And what's happening is when I go to use the tractor, I'll take off the C-clamp, put the tractor in neutral, and I'll go to start it. It starts up fine. I push in the clutch and I can shift into first gear without an issue. So again, this is just a cheap fix on how to get around that issue. That's just showing the C-clamp that I'm using. Again, all I do is I push the clutch down and hook the C-clamp right on the edge there and holds the clutch open, or more or less is engaging the clutch. So I know there's been a lot of issues where people are having issues with the clutch disc more or less seizing against the flywheel on the tractor, and rather than breaking the tractor apart and looking into fix for that, this is a cheap workaround on how to stop that issue. And again, I put that on as soon as I put the tractor away, and when I'm going to use a tractor, I take the C-clamp off and the tractor engages into first with the clutch without an issue. I know some people will say to actually start the tractor in gear, in first gear, and that will more or less disengage the clutch from the flywheel. However, they're a good size starter, but that puts an awful lot of strain on it, so I certainly wouldn't recommend that. I mean, it is a workaround, but you can only do that so many times till it takes its toll on the gears on your starter. Anyways guys, I thought I would just make a short video. It's something that's been working extremely well for me. I've been doing this for the last couple months, and it has made my life so much better. It's quite frustrating when your tractor's in the garage and you're trying to get it out, however you can't put it into gear when it's starting. So that was my way to fix that. Anyways guys, I hope this helps at least one person out there. If it does, maybe throw this video a quick like. If you have any suggestions or comments, please post them below. Again, I have lots of other videos on my 1952 48N farm tractor. And for the people that follow my channel, I've also been working on my 2006 Smart Car Passion. So if you're interested in that too, I have quite a few videos of that up on my channel. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great night.